Every day, millions of people go to work in different places. Some people work in offices, others work in hospitals, schools, or factories. The place where you work is called your workplace, and the job you do defines an important part of your daily life. A doctor works in a hospital or a clinic. Doctors help sick people and try to keep them healthy. They study for many years before they can work with patients. A teacher works in a school or a university. Teachers help students learn new things every day. They need a lot of patience and dedication. Some people work outdoors. A farmer works on a farm and grows food for other people. Farmers wake up very early in the morning and work long hours. A construction worker builds houses, bridges, and roads. This job is very physical and can be dangerous. Other people work from home. Since the internet became popular, many people do their jobs on a computer without leaving the house. This is called remote work. Remote workers save time because they don't need to travel to an office every day. Whatever your job is, it is important to feel satisfied with your work and to have a good balance between your professional and personal life.